Welcome back. I hope you enjoy this video. You are going to have to put this road on your bucket list. We are leaving June Lake, California, and we turned south onto 395 in Irvine, California. Enjoyed a scenic ride into the Inyo National Forest, but what was so amazing was this road that we turned onto, California 120.
We picked up California 120 in the Mono Lake area, but it actually begins over on the other side of the state and the San Joaquin Valley and runs all the way to Sierra Nevada. It is absolutely beautiful. It rides through Yosemite, and as you can see, it's got beautiful sweeping curves. It's got elevation changes that go up and down and all around, and the views are spectacular. But what was so intriguing about this road is that there were sections that smelled just like chocolate. This is the Mono Lake Basin scenic area that we're riding through right here. And the Mono Lake is really interesting. It is California's Dead Sea. It's 2.5 times saltier than the ocean, so when you get inside, it's extremely buoyant to swim. We didn't get a chance to put our toes in it, but if you're in the area, I would recommend giving it a try. Another thing that's pretty interesting that I learned about this lake is that brine shrimp graze in Mono Lake to clean out the algae each year. So every summer, the lake will transform from a really murky green to a transparent blue. And apparently, you can see the transformation from outer space. If you're enjoying this ride, please take a minute and hit the like button and subscribe. If you ring the bell, you'll be notified each time I release a new video. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. My name's Jordan. I believe in gear shifting gratitude, and I am grateful for the opportunity to share this road with you today. Check out some of the earlier videos from this trip. We rode to Nia Bay, Washington, and made our way down the Pacific Coast Highway through Oregon and into California. We visited some redwoods and saw a lot of really cool things along the way, crossed the Golden Gate Bridge, and made our way down into San Jose, where we visited the infamous Winchester Mansion before heading over to Yosemite National Park. Thanks for riding with us today. Hope you enjoyed it.